Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and check how long you played a game on Roblox mobile. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for the matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your particular Roblox app on your mobile phone. Go ahead, open it up. Once you have opened your app, you're first gonna go ahead get signed in as well. Once you have successfully signed in, here in this section, in this continue section, you will be able to find all of the games that you have been playing in the menu. Right, all you have to do is first of all tap on that particular game of yours, and you're gonna scroll down, tap on this little drop down icon, and here in this section you will be able to actually see the people that have been playing, how many people have played, like the information about developer, server size, everything updated, they created, etc., service, the group, all of the information you will find it. But if you try to know how long you have been playing with it, or how many hours you have spent, there is no way for you to see that. Even if you go to your profile and here in the status, if you try to find, you won't be able to find that, because that specific service is just not available here in Roblox. So unfortunately you cannot see that, and that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.